Here we go. Hi folks, I'm working on the turbine engine again, and we've had a problem with it, so I've sticked it right down and just altered a few of the fan blades in it, and now it's going better than ever before. There's all the parts to it, just to put the framing back. You can see it's going really well. You know, I think we're only about 25 psi, something like that. You know, so it's going really well. That's the Cleveland Virgo boiler, which I'm testing, and that's going really well. You notice how quiet it is now, whereas before it was really rattling. So Manuel will be really pleased with this in the States. So that's really good. I used to work at Rolls-Royce actually on turbines, and I used to be a scrutineer for fighter jets turbine blades, and then I went on to high definition radiography, so I know a little bit about turbines. So it's going really well now. I just put the clamp on there because I've got all the bolts there to put back, but you can see it's going really well. Now the only thing about these turbines is that they don't have to take some steam, you know, so that's something else to consider. You can see she's going really well now. That's the Virgo boiler from Cleveland Steam. Jerry there, so got a bit of ad there. It's really good if you want parts, because you know you'll get them to you next day. It's really good. It's very helpful whenever it comes. Cleveland Steam is where you want to go for your bits and pieces, and it gives an excellent service. So I'm only just testing this now, and I'm learning how to boil, but you can see she's running okay. That's good. Yeah, she's stopped now. Thanks for watching the videos, do appreciate that, and catch you next time.